Okay, guys, some very awesome stuff here. This little pineapple is ready to go. Looks good. Hopefully everything's cool with it. Yeah, everything's looking good, and the greenhouse is looking good too. It is now almost April. We had a flower on the Hawaiian plant not long ago, but we have a bunch of oranges and stuff in here. I'll give you guys a quick tour. This is the date tree right here. Some poinsettias from Christmas and stuff. One of the dragon fruits. Some of the baby ones here. Orange tree coffee. The big orange tree right here. We got two of these ones. We got one hidden back there somewhere. Ton of flowers. We have some lemons down here. I think we have about 20 lemons right now on there. So yeah, everything's good. Some baby banana trees. Our big banana tree up there. Squeeze through here. Cactus. Fig tree with baby figs on them. And we're already picking a lot of strawberries already. And we got the big, I forget what it's called. I can't think of the name right now. We got the onions here from Italy. Let's see. Yep, onion seeds. There's more seeds in here. More strawberries. So yeah, more baby date trees down here. So here we go, guys. We're gonna pick the baby pineapple. Looks like it's ready to go. Easy snap. Looks like a little. Hopefully, that's not gonna be a problem. But yeah, okay. Little baby pineapple plant here. I was hoping it would be in the summertime because when it's hot, it'll get a lot sweeter. It's ripened in the spring, end of winter, so hopefully it still tastes sweet. But I was hoping it was gonna be over summer, so we can get the full sweetness here. But this is a real quick video, guys, of picking the first ever pineapple in here. So that's really exciting. We got more. Where are they at? We have more pineapple plants somewhere. I don't know where I put them in here though. Oh, they're down here. I was wondering where I put them. It's dark in here too. So we got more down there. They're looking all right, but we'll see. So yeah, this is the first pineapple plant, guys. So a quick video. Yeah, everything's looking good here. So we'll see how it is, and I'll give you guys an update eventually. I'll let you guys know in the comments how it tastes. But yeah, very exciting stuff. The nights have been not that bad anymore, and it's been about 70, almost 80 during the day now. So we're getting towards spring and summer, and it's very exciting. So yeah, guys, a quick update here in the greenhouse, and we picked our first pineapple.